Hi everyone, my name is Marianne and today I will be showing you how to prepare for state boards and what to expect using the PSI Test Taker Guide. In this presentation, I will explain how to prepare for state boards, what to expect, PSI rules and requirements, and tips to help you stay calm and confident. To prepare for the theory exam, you should study your My Lady book and class notes. Focus on infection control, hair, skin, and nails. It is also important to take practice tests and review the PSI test taker guide so you understand the format of the exam. For the practical exam, practice your services step by step. Always follow proper sanitation and safety. Memorize your setup and practice your timing so you feel confident on the exam day. On the test day, arrive early and bring a valid government ID. Follow all instructions carefully and stay calm. Being prepared will help you feel more confident. Following instructions is everything. That's how they will test us. So it's very, very important to pay attention. PSI rules. PSI has strict rules. You are not allowed to bring phones or personal items into the testing area. Talking or cheating is not allowed, and if you break the rules, your test can be canceled. The test is usually taken on a computer at a testing center, but sometimes it can be taken online. There will be a security check and the test is timed, so manage your time wisely. To reduce stress, study a little every day instead of cramming. Practice your skills often, get enough sleep, and take deep breaths. Confidence comes from preparation. The PSA Test Taker Guide is important because it explains the exam format, rules, and what to expect. Reviewing it helps you feel prepared and less nervous. State boards may feel stressful, but with practice and preparation, you can pass. Stay focused, believe in yourself, and good luck, future professionals.